In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert realistic 3D objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to make your presentation feel more modern, visual, and professional, adding a 3D object can be a great option. PowerPoint includes a built-in library of 3D models, so you don't need to create anything from scratch. You can simply browse, choose a model, place it on your slide, and then adjust how it looks. To begin, go to the top menu in PowerPoint and click Insert. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding different kinds of content to your slide, including pictures, shapes, icons, and of course, 3D models. Once you're in the Insert tab, click 3D Models. This will open PowerPoint's Model Selection window, where you can browse available 3D content. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is essentially the same. Next, choose a category. Categories help organize the available models, so this makes it easier to find something that matches the topic of your presentation. For example, you might see categories related to animals, technology, education, nature, or other themes. Taking a moment to pick the right category can save time and help you find a model that fits your slide more naturally. After that, click the 3D object you want. As you browse, look for something that supports your message rather than distracts from it. A good 3D object should enhance the visual appeal of the slide while still keeping the presentation clear and focused. Once you select the object, PowerPoint will prepare it for insertion. Now click Insert. PowerPoint will place the 3D object directly onto your slide. At this point, you can move it into position and make sure it fits nicely with your text, images, or other design elements. If the model appears too large or too small, you can resize it just like other objects in PowerPoint. Finally, rotate it if you want. One of the best things about 3D models is that you're not limited to a flat image. You can adjust the angle to show the most useful or visually appealing view. This helps the object look more realistic and can make your slide feel more dynamic. Try rotating it gently until it complements the rest of your layout, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can insert a realistic 3D object into Microsoft PowerPoint and give your presentation a more polished, engaging look.